Today, I'll show you how to remove a breakpoint in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just getting started, you'll find this process straightforward and efficient. Breakpoints are essential for responsive design, but sometimes you might need to remove style properties associated with them for a cleaner, more uniform look across different devices. So let's dive in and streamline your workflow. First things first, head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard displaying all your projects. Here, you'll want to select the site you're working on by simply clicking on it. This will open your project's design interface where you can make all the necessary changes. Before we proceed further, it's crucial to ensure you have the FinSuite extension for Webflow added to your Chrome browser. This extension is a powerful tool that enhances Webflow's capabilities, making tasks like the one we're tackling today much more manageable. If you haven't installed it yet, pause for a moment to do that. Simply search for it in the Chrome Web Store and add it to your browser. With the FinSuite extension now in place, you'll notice a new icon on the left side of your screen when you're inside your Webflow project. Click on this FinSuite icon to open the extensions menu. This is where you'll find a variety of options designed to help you manage your Webflow projects more efficiently. The next step is to click on Remove Style Properties within the FinSuite menu. This feature allows you to manage the styles applied to different breakpoints in your project, providing a streamlined approach to editing your design. Now you'll see a list of breakpoints that exist in your Webflow project. Take a moment to identify the specific breakpoint you want to adjust. Selecting the appropriate breakpoint is crucial, as this determines which style properties you'll be removing. Once you've selected the breakpoint, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on Remove Styles. This action will remove the style properties associated with the selected breakpoint, effectively decluttering your design and ensuring consistency across different device views. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed a breakpoint style in Webflow using the FinSuite extension. This process not only simplifies your design, but also ensures a more unified experience for users across all devices. Remember, keeping your design clean and consistent is key to a great user experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust breakpoints in your Webflow projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.